What's up friends, Amar here, and if you are tired of struggling to make sales and generate consistent income as an affiliate marketer, we are going to dive into 4 powerful tips that can help you skyrocket your affiliate commissions and build a loyal targeted audience. So whether you are a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, these strategies are designed to give you a massive boost. So get ready to learn how to choose the right products to promote, build a loyal audience, create high quality content, and maximize your earnings. Before we start this tutorial, I just want to mention that I left free bonuses for you in the description of this video. These pages that you can import, customize, and use in your affiliate marketing campaigns completely for free. So also all the resources that I'll be mentioning in this video will be in the description below. And if you are new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to it. Now, according to my experience, there are 4 powerful tips to make money online with affiliate marketing as a beginner. And the first one is to start with high quality PLR products to have a fast start where you don't have to create everything by yourself, especially when you are a beginner and starting out. So you need to leverage pre-made content, which is PLR, private label rights. Products offer ready-made content that you can customize and sell as your own. This can save you time and effort, especially when you are starting out. Let me give you a quick example. If I click on this banner here, there is this offer that I find extremely important and valuable. This guy did an excellent job creating private label rights, top quality product teaching one of the hottest and most evergreen topics in the internet marketing niche, and it is list building. The product is called List Building Unleashed, and he did everything you need actually to start with the right foot with the affiliate marketing business. So he created everything. He created an ebook which is 65 pages. He created also the sales page, the squeeze page to build your own email list, thank you pages. He created also the accompanying PowerPoint slides so that you can turn the content into a video, and that's a great idea actually he did here. You don't even have to show your face on camera. All you have to do is explain the concept. This will help you build a targeted and loyal audience. He has lots of components here, and as you can see, you have a sales page and a thank you page. You have also the list building kit. You have a report called Your First 100 Subscribers. You have the squeeze page and the thank you page and the follow-up emails as well. There are 5-day follow-up email series, and of course you have the private label rights license, which means that you can do whatever you want with this product. So if you are interested in putting this into action, please click the link below this video and you will have access to this product here. And if you grab the List Building Unleashed offer from the link below this description, you will get free access to my bonus, which is like 10 high converting splash pages. Capture attention, drive traffic, and increase sales with these professionally designed customizable templates. You will get free access instantly when you grab the List Building Unleashed offer, and you can also use these capture pages or splash pages to promote any product in the future. So bottom line, you need to find niche specific products. Look for PLR products that align with your niche or target audience. This will make it easier to create relevant and engaging content. And also you need to customize and brand. While PLR products provide a solid foundation, it's essential to customize and brand them to make them unique. This will help you stand out from your competition. The second powerful tip to make money online as an affiliate marketer is to start building your email list as soon as possible. Your email list is the most valuable asset you will ever have with affiliate marketing. So this is like having your own traffic source on demand. Every time you want to promote something, you can reach out to your email list with just one click. So this is an asset that you need to start building as soon as possible. Don't wait. You can use actually a strategy that we call the free offer strategy, and I actually created a small product for this strategy here, and I will leave a link in the description below if you would like to profit from this small product. It has this landing page here, it has the bridge page that will make you right away affiliate commissions, and you have this rebrandable and customizable thank you page where you deliver your freebie, the lead magnet, what we call the lead magnet. You deliver it and you recommend some affiliate resources that can make you affiliate commissions. For me, the real benefit of building an email list fast and having an email list in addition of the consistent communication with your email list, you can actually set up automatic follow-up email series. So you want, for example, every week to send an email to your email list, you just set up those follow-up email series and you can put any content you want in them and send it out automatically on pre-scheduled system that you implement inside of your autoresponder. So this is automation, guys, and this makes you like save lots of time and lots of money. So again, if you want to know more about the subject of the free offer strategy to build an email list fast, please click the link in the description below and you will see that this offer has everything you need to start doing just that. The third powerful tip to make lots of money with affiliate marketing is considering high quality content. You need to be able to produce some kind of high quality content and put it out there on the internet. Why? Because people, millions of people are on the internet searching for information, for useful information, for methods, for solutions to their problems, for answers to their questions. This is what they want. And you want to be the one who gives them valuable information that helps them with what they are struggling with. And by doing that, you will have evergreen, high quality content on the internet everywhere, bringing you traffic, which is the lifeblood of any online business. So you have a free traffic source, which is your valuable content. You can use, for example, platforms like Medium, like YouTube, Facebook, any social media network where you provide valuable information. People will keep coming to your resources, and of course you can do business with them. Powerful tip number 4 is choosing the right products or services to promote. You need to select products or services that align with your niche and target audience. This will make your promotions more relevant and effective. Also, you need to prioritize the quality. So you need to promote products or services that offer value and are known for their quality. This will help you build trust with your audience. And most importantly, this is my preference, recurring commission products. If you consider promoting products or services that offer recurring commissions such as subscriptions, memberships, this can provide a steady stream of income for you. You sell once and you keep getting paid time after time after time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to check the links in the description. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description below, and I will see you on my next video.